This function that we've added allows you to attach images directly to your job packet. If I go into my job packet and I go to click to print out my job packet, all of my documents, all of my bid documents are going to show up here. And you can see that I have 4 of these items. If I close that, I go into this documents. You can see that I've got some pictures here of the job site, and I want to make sure that those are attached to my job packet. So again, if I go into my job packet, I can print out my asphalt overlay work order item, as well as I can attach these images to that if I'd like to. And if I go to view, that will generate my job packet information. So here's my work order on my cover page, and then I've got my images here below. That allows you to quickly and easily add those images without having to reattach them.